Don't kill me.
You're not gonna leave this woman alone.
Don't kill me, one Igwe.
Every time you're gonna show us that you be King Kong.
One Igwe,
where's she there?
I'm your father.
You bloody.
I'm your father.
Come on down, officer.
One Igwe. One Igwe, because.
You the crazy.
No, one Igwe, one Igwe.
Wait.
Oh, you went away. Because no.
I'm your father. You're not my father.
I'm your father.
You're not my father.
Only I'm your father.
Your name is Ignatius. Your name is One Igwe. Close the mouth, say something. I said close up. Beating him.
Mama Zuzu, stop cheering now.
Oh.
Mama Zuzu, I'm your husband. I'm your husband.
Calling me.
Beating him now. One Igwe.
I'm not going to see him.
Bonko. So it was a dream, eh? Hey, God, I thank you. What if it were not a dream? Oh, come get CJ.
No, what did make that noise? Hey! Mba! What did they do for land?
Look, get out of my sight before I descend on you.
You're going to make show. Eh? I there where I did. Come here. Something. For Igriba for land. I'm not surprised saying that you.
Who invited you? Who asked for your sympathy? Will you take her before? Scholastic idiot.
Is you. Why they worry myself? Eh? If you like, they for that land like snake. You no concern me. You think say na you are the pity? Na lie! Na the land! Papa, no spoil that land though. No, nonsense.
Bonko. So she has even grown in spirit as to fight me in the spirit. Bonko. The battle line is drawn between me and her. One Igwe you. Hey! It's alright. It's alright. Lie on this bed. Come on. I'll kill you.
No, what's it? No! Aliva! Sorry.
I don't want.
Hey. Simple. They do like say one time.
You still have the mouth to call a man you and your white animal of a daughter almost killed your husband. You still refer to him as your husband, eh?
Please, stop adding injury to salt. Ogini,
shut up your mouth. I said shut up your mouth. Everything about you is upside down. Stop adding injury to the salt.
Is it my fault? I doesn't go to school. I doesn't go to school. Is it my fault? My mama, my papa die. I very, very small. Is it my fault? Was I? Was I?
Is that why you and your daughter want to kill my brother before his appointed time?
I killing my husband. My daughter killing my husband. No. I not killing my husband. I liking my husband very, very too much. No.
Listen, and listen very carefully. I'm not here to battle word with you. If anything should happen to my brother, I say if anything should happen to him, any type of music I play for you, dance it.
Nothing happening to my husband. Nothing. I liking my husband. Nothing happening to my husband. My husband, I liking you too much. Oh,
just be prayerful.
I want to eat semo, vegetable or egusi soup, cooked with chicken and baraba.
Did you hear him?
Ezibodi. Demonu mokego. Nine. Okay, feature ili. No problem. I getting it for you. I liking you too much. I getting it for you. Oh,
you and your daughter should be fast about it.
How's school now?
School was fine.
Anybody look for your trouble?
No, auntie. Auntie's on my side. Okay, let me go.
Come back here first. Go, carry your food. Chop am now.
Let me go and greet Mama first so she will know that I'm back and also change my uniform.
My friend, come back here. I can go carry your food. Chop am now. I won't take that for cook.
Dada.
Good afternoon, Mama.
My daughter. Oh, no, Mom. Oh. How's schooling today?
School was fine.
Okay.
Mama, they have told us about our junior work examination. And they said the fee is 12,000 naira.
Hey. 12. Okay. No problem. You going inside, changing, coming out, eating. Oh?
Oh, okay. Like I say now you go bring the money.
Philon, your father, chicken. Hey, we even can't badogum. Nna ye chokolo no o chole ta fowl nya na ofa akwụkwọ nni o biko
wait first fowl azemo ọkụkọ he bring money
mba o
ojuru okwu
hey biko eating this one getting better good oh biko
you go wait first make it die go heaven
hey thank you
wait first what the hell will be this what the hell will be this here now
your father wanting a fowl vegetable soup biko eating this one I'll be like a make order biko
he pay oh I'm not like this guy thing But we can't do. Now because he see when he check on come price the fowl. Now fowl don't begin hungry now this fowl I want say to come pay to that school fees.
Your father eating it well, me happy.
He better make you die,
Hey,
Mama. He better make you die. In fact, Mpa go die before he go chop this my fowl.
God forbid.
Let's give peace a chance. If it's the fowl that Papa wants, let us give it to him. I know that God will surely provide for his school fees.
Hey, you say? No, even talk there. If I come here, come here, come here first.
Wait now.
Come here.
Hey,
So.
hey.
Next time you let me go. Catch my fowl. Wait.
Come. Changing uniform. You come, eat food. You come, prepare this for your father.
You don't hear what I talk say? I want to pay to the school fees.
You are not Chimo.
Mind the way where you dey rush that fowl.
I'm not in the gizzard though of this chicken.
Ofozo can buyeli yo. Ofozo.
The gizzard is not here. You know, I don't trust you people. You be like terrorists. Who did it? Go and bring the pot of soup here. Let me be seeing it.
You say?
You bring the pot of
You say?
Let me look for the gizzard.
Nobody can bring that pot for here.
Please.
Nobody can bring pot for here. Hey, go back, my friend. Which pot? You wicked though. Because they leave you the chop chicken. You don't chop my fowl finish. You get mad to talk. No bring any pot for here.
I want to see the pot of soup. Oh.
Philomena, Biko, go bring in the pot. No?
You dey go?
Biko,
You dey go?
Philomena.
I don't trust you people. Let me be seeing it.
Mpa, you wicked. You don't even give anybody. You forgot that you get on throat for the chicken sense.
Women don't eat this one. All of you are women.
You not the woman. You think say you be man.
Did you open the pot? Inspection and examination. I'm not in the. Hey!
Hey!
One Igwe!
Hey!
Come! I don't want to make you chop my fowl again. No chop. You not even give anybody. Eh?
You will pay with one goat.
Come on there.
This time, it's going to be one full goat.
Come on there.
I will tell the woman.
You don't understand now. This is school fees in the shop.
This one is chicken. She's going to kill one goat, which I will eat alone. If I tell the woman, she's finished. It's alright.
Don't fire you.
Did you hear her?
Fire you for there. You tell her.
Did you hear her?
We go start the chicken. You
talking
you say you get sense.
Go and chop. I'm sure you are the person who chopped the gizzard.
This mama the bone because you know one papa.
It's alright.
Hey!
We shall see the winner by how much? It's alright. She's going to pay with one goat. Let me breathe and clean my mouth. I've not eaten anything.
No, one cow.
Okay.
Not the only one. One goat.
We shall see the winner by how much?
It's me, so.
You die here! I'm going to kill you!
for today.
Hey man, no small thing.
Game supposed to.
Yes, sir.
Supposed to play.
Love man. Start.
Wait. To be sincere, Obeni, I had never thought for a second that you were serious with that Philomena. I mean, I had actually thought you were taking advantage of her and that's all.
Why will you say a thing like that? Listen, you know me now, eh? You guys know me. I'm not into all this women stuff. Listen, what I feel for Philomena is deep down from my heart. Eh? That's it now.
Nah, leave this guy alone. I no longer doubt what this Okpoko imagines. He now lives under Philomena's control. You know that? Womanizer, woman rapper. It's better you have an experience, so Lala.
Serious.
Gladys! Gladys!
Hi!
Hey guys, I wonder why our fellow man like this will just have such wicked hearts.
Are you sure Iwuji is the cause of these bloodstains?
Hey now.
Wait. What if this Gladys were to be Iwuji's younger sister? When other men hit on her constantly like this, how would you feel?
Iwuji that I know will kill the man, eh? Or that man will kill Iwuji.
That's
what. You know, at times I am being pushed to ask God, why does he give good things like this to people that does not have value for it at all?
It's only God that knows you. Only God.
This word is very strange.
Man, listen guys, you know what I'm wishing for right now? Eh? I just wish that all of us will just gather ourselves and give Iwuji general beating. Better one.
That idiot needs a miserable beating. A memorable one at that. That guy is a monster.
Imagine a girl that is not even up to 28 years old. Who looks older than my own mother.
Hey!
Hey now, he wants her to be.
You don't see her face. Where they go?
Come on, we just arrange that guy.
Her face just be like fufu where they soak for water.
We just arrange that guy, serious.
Pastor, look at my body. Look at my body. Look at my body. Look at what the man I call my husband did to my body.
Please calm down. I'm listening. Just calm down, please.
For the past 2 years, Iwuji married me. This is all he has done to me.
What? Wait, you mean he has been...
He has been doing this. I didn't want to tell anybody because I thought he was going to change. But Pastor, as the year goes by, this is what Iwuji does to me. He became more devilish and heartless.
Sister.
In fact, Pastor, I came to tell you I want to divorce him.
No, Sister Gladys. Remember, I'm a preacher of the gospel. You are just talking because you're carnal. I want you to believe that what God has joined together, no man or anything can separate it, no matter how you try. Because both of you have been joined and ordained husband and wife by God Almighty.
Pastor, please, help me and tell God that I want him to separate Iwuji and I. Pastor, how can God join me and a beast?
Sister, with God Almighty, I think he's trying to say something. Or do you think that you and Iwuji are the worst couple ever?
Of course!
No, sister. As long as I'm concerned and God lives, I believe both of you are the best couple ever.
Hey! Pastor! What are you even saying? I ran to you to tell God to separate Iwuji and I, and this is all you could say.
Sister, please, can you just sit down and listen to what I have to say? Please. Just sit down. Please. Just listen to what I have to say. Will you believe what I will say now? Will you believe it?
Pastor, I am not believing anything. I am not believing anything again. I would have been enjoying myself in Onyeka's house in a very true love. All you want me to believe is that she's there with Iwuji. Pastor, I am going ahead to divorce Iwuji. I will do it and I will damn all the consequences.
No, sister.
I would have been enjoying in Onyeka's house now.
The devil is a liar.
With everything, true love.
Please, sister. Let us pray. Sister Gladys! It's a liar. Sister Gladys. Sister Gladys. Sister Gladys, wait.
Pastor, what? Pastor, what is it? Pastor, you're not passing me well. Don't let me get angry with you. What is it?
Calm down. I don't like the way you dashed out of my office when I was about committing your marriage to God in prayer.
Abia, Pastor, I came to tell you my mind. And I have done that. Please, tell God I want him to separate Iwuji and I.
Is that why you left my office in that ungodly manner, sister?
Pastor, if you were me, you would do worst.
Let God be the judge of that. Now, where do you think you're going?
I'm going to my uncle's place. I am going to show him my body. I'm going to tell him everything so that when he sees me, he will understand. And if I die, he will know that it is you and Iwuji that is responsible for my death.
Sister Gladys, do you know that life and death is in our tongue? Well, I don't like the way you're sounding like a faithless Christian, which I know you're not.
Pastor.
Please, let us first commit this thing in prayer to God before any man.
Pastor, that can be done. I have lost my voice and my strength. I have prayed to God endlessly for this marriage to work.
The Lord is your strength.
Pastor, now I am reversing the prayer. I don't want to marry Iwuji again.
Sister, the Lord is your strength. Sister Gladys.
Philomena, you drinking, you medicine, you okay, yeah? You fine, you eating, you drinking medicine, you getting well.
Mama, I'm not hungry.
Philomena, you eating, you drinking medicine, you fine. Oh?
Even if I eat, I don't get medicine to drink.
Hey. Me buying it.
Mama. Ask Papa. Make it help us buy.
Papa. Nine. Everybody. Hey. Everybody mo. Everybody, because your daughter is seeking, you buying medicine. Oh, she well, because everybody. Oh, because
useless people. Don't want a ginger.
Your daughter seeking, no.
I don't want to answer her.
My daughter, me coming, me going buying.
Philomena go kill somebody. Baby, you know that the girl then they call Philomena. The girl who get the muscle, she dey fight you. Philomena, if you see him they come, you better say you run. No nonsense, not to rubble full in body. Hola mo, I beg you make una hola mo. That the girl we get it dada. Philomena go kill somebody.
Mama?
Yeah.
Mama? What's going on? I saw they said Philomena is sick.
Thanking you. My daughter seeking, me even seeking. Me seeking, me buying medicine for her. My husband no buying medicine for her. Me buying.
Just calm down. Let me quickly see her. Okay? You just wait.
Me, my daughter seeking, me seeking. My husband
Liking him. Let's go.
No, man, just wait. Go back inside. Let me quickly get the medicine for her.
Hey.
Just wait.
Oh.
I'm coming.
Thanking you. Oh, Chukwumugoziegi. Hey, thanking you.
I don't get myself small.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, eh? All you need to do now is just to rest, take all these fruits, take your drugs. You'll be fine.
How you take no say sick?
I met Chidera on my way to school. She was the one that told me that you were sick. I never even knew it was this serious. She just decided to come.
He been not this serious that time. I don't know how he can take this serious. My head can pound like say Mike Tyson they deal with Holyfield inside my head. Hi.
So don't worry, you'll be fine. Yeah, just take this orange. Take it.
You go spoil my mouth now.
Let me take this one. You take this one. You'll be fine. Just take it to give you appetite to eat. Sorry.
You're not sweet. Hey.
You eat banana.
I don't want.
You don't want banana?
I don't want.
Sorry.
I wonder why she's still carrying these dreadlocks. I will get rid of them one day. Since the diviner said after 35 years, if she's not married, that I could cut them off. But where she gets married, then the husband could decide to cut them.
I've been here for over an hour waiting for you.
I'm very sorry. You see, something just came up, and I could not put a pause to it. That's why.
No, Zugo, let's go before. I don't want to miss this opportunity.
Macha, wait. You see, there was something I was doing that was holding me down, and it just tied my neck right now. It's very, very important.
It's understandable now. Let me on. I don't understand.
Okay, what I'm trying to say is that my father is sick. Yes, he's very, very sick, and you and I know I'm the only one that can take care of him. So I don't know how it will be.
I knew you were going to be a disappointment to yourself and not me.
I know now. It's not much. Don't sound like that. Please, I'm sorry.
Listen, Obele. One thing I know for sure is that you can never ruin my life in this village.
I know, not in this village. Please, I'm very sorry. Just try and understand me.
If a man, you can go. Before you take me to a disappointment life.
No. So you are talking like this. Now try and understand. My father is sick. I'm the only person now.
Wait, what did they do for here? No, but you tell me say you they go mama with a matter.
Yes, but I changed my mind. Yes, I changed my mind because of you. Yes, now.
Because of who?
Because of you now. You're not feeling fine and you expect me to go with him. I cannot do that, sir. When I know that Mama is not around and Papa will not have your time. I am here for you, baby. You are my love.
You don't start again. Eh? Now only God know why I leave you.
You just heard that. Loving.
Nah,
you
lie.
love me. Listen, even God and his angels know that you love me and I love you too. If you look the both of us, you know that we are meant to be husband and wife.
Husband and gene.
Wife. Very sweet.
Your second name now, Joseph.
Ah, no.
The dream now.
Stop pretending. You love me and I love you too, baby.
I beg. I talk and say you no girl talk. I won't go fetch water, so begin go mama.
Wait. Let me just quickly correct this thing. It's not fetch. It's fetch. You understand?
See this one, oh. When I talk French now.
I'm just correcting you now.
I don't want to.
It's okay. Listen, that water I will go with you. Yes, let me help you. I cannot be here. You fetch water when you're not feeling fine. It's not possible. You're my baby, my love.
Shelby, you not get handwork.
You're my handwork, baby. Get the gallon. Get the gallon.
Handwork. I'll be your subject.
As you go, so shake this thing for me. Shake it.
So, I didn't even bother to know if your baby is alive or dead.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You know I would have come if I were around.
Hey, I so much missed you.
Hey.
A girl more than fufu. Hey, and if you were around, this would have disappeared by now.
Don't worry. Oh, don't worry. It will go now that I'm back.
Touch it.
Hey. Sorry.
Hey. Of course, you know what to give me now so that everything will disappear.
One day, just one day, I will show that dog that you call a daughter my true color in this village. I will have to tell her that enough is enough. Just watch, look at what she has done to you, and you are taking it easy with her.
Sungu, that my daughter has single
happy yarn. Leave that thing.
Hot temper and that booby.
How dare you?
She fights like a man. You have to be very careful.
See, let me tell you, there are many ways to kill a rat. A stubborn one as that. The last thing I will do is to challenge her in a physical combat.
So, no matter how you want to go about it, let's be very careful. Philo is something else.
Leave that thing. She cannot do anything. She can't do anything.
Since you are here, once I enter your open university, I will my head will graduate with first class even.
Don't worry.
This orange is sweet.
Don't worry, let me carry it for you. Enjoy.
You want me again?
No.
I feel it on top.
Let me drop this thing. See, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Now waiting be that.
Philo, is about adult education. Yes, I want you to go back to school.
I think say you get talk.
Wait now, Philo, wait. Just hear me out now, Listen, I know that you might be feeling that maybe you are too old to go back to school, but it's not like that. Remember the local government chairman now? He was old before he went back to school. Today he's the local government chairman.
Wait first. You go pay my school fees.
Not like I will pay.
So, if you no go pay now, you know they tell me about school.
Let's just...
Obele, so this man, Ajibuswa, this man is the reason you refuse to go to Mama with me today, Abi?
What do you mean by that? What are you calling man? Eh? What's the meaning of that?
I'm disappointed.
What is the reason why you refuse to call me your friend? Now you Abela, I am ashamed because of this man.
You call me man?
Me? You call me why will you call her a man? What is the meaning of that one? Eh? Why will you call my girl a man? You know she's my baby and you better than me.
Who be your baby? Who be your baby?
I'm joking, let me finish this man. Why will you call her a man? Shut up! What is this sweet? It doesn't look like man for you. Do you expect me to touch them before you know she's not?
Touch waiting. In the place.
Joke now. You are stupid. Why will you call her a man? Yes, you see the talk.
In fact, your punishment is you gotta look my mouth. I gotta look orange.
Yes. You're stupid. You know she's my baby. You know she's my.
Who be your girl?
Come, who even knows if that's Papa Mu will bring our ball today?
Macha, is it Obele, our guy you're talking about like this? Obele would come. He told me.
Now when I wrap with that super story, was that not how we said he was going to escort me to Mama today? What later happened? Nah, let's call a spade a spade. Look at it in here. Huh? That phenomenon of a girl has practically taken over Bere's life. And when you come on now, Rosie, that to stay around Philomena, doing nothing. What's all that for?
It's yourself that is disappointing, not me.
Biko, my people. I beg. Give me this.
My guy, what's up now? Judging from the look of your faces, I know that people must have condemned me here and I'm the subject of discussion. I'm sorry. This one, you are just tighting your face. I don't send you.
Why just bringing this ball now?
I know now. I have been expecting the attack. But see, I don't even have your own time. Better people. Sorry.
Now, Obere, let's be frank with you. You purged when you mentioned at church. What is all this now? For the fact that I'm not saying anything, I've been calm for a while. It doesn't mean I don't know what I'm doing. Take a look at it now. Look at how you disappointed Macha just to make that good for nothing happy.
It's okay now. I've said I'm sorry. You mustn't mention my baby's name in this issue. If there's anything I will take all the insults. But I don't want anybody to be mentioning Philomena's name. She's my baby. She's my love. She's my everything. My sugar. My honey. And as I'm saying this thing now, it's paining you.
You're more Aphrodite.
Guys. Hey, don't insult Philo. You can insult me. I don't have problem.
Let's just forget about it. She been a ball with the wait for ball don't come. Let us concentrate on. Let us come here. Let us.
Go. Don't support today with
not be the ball with the wait.
Cool down. This guy my alibi. Now, okay. What are friends for? Is to correct each other's mistakes now, okay? Now, just calm down. This guy barashing at church.
Okay. It's okay. But you take it easy. Just take it easy. You're attacking me.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? If I were you, let me be frank with you. I will accept my mistakes and stop causing trouble.
I have accepted, but tell this madman to keep quiet.
Come on, shut up.
Macha, see, it's like you have forgotten what happened the last time. I've been in a hurry. You have forgotten. I'll do strong thing here now.
And from today, this guy is no longer keeping this ball.
Come on, get away. Who wants to keep the ball? Ball that is even stressing.
My own,
taking out the space.
Both of you should just respect yourself and let's play this ball. Let us get out from here. Let us say.
Don't mind the first people. Don't mention anything concerning me, my baby, my love, my boo boo. I will enjoy you.
You're more Aphrodite now. You won't fight because of
what the world. Boo boo. What they talk about? What you do this man? What you go fight? What you keep fighting?
Guy, cool down now. How to play this ball now?
Talk and say. I don't want to go play ball.
Guy, okay, calm down.
You're okay.
What's the way this guy follow me to talk now?
Cool down now. Accept your mistakes now.
Don't worry. That feel
no, the guy just want you to fuck up. Nothing. What do you do? Nah, guy, can you tell me about machine at all? Where
guy, get your boots. Get your boots. Make with the go.
It's okay. Where machine at all?
Time, Philo.
Over there, come.
My love, my boo boo. You talk to my many here. You go straight I go do you.
Nonsense.
Oh, man, I don't choose pass, man, I don't choose leave me. So I'm saying that body the house like this. Pass that.
Baby, you know that the girl when they call Fido. The girl who get the muscle, she dey fight you. Fido, if you see her come, you better say no nonsense. Not to rubble the full body. Hold on, I beg you, make una hold on. That again, we get to that. You know me, I go kill somebody. Hold on, I beg you, make una hold on. That again, we get to that. You know me, I go kill somebody. Hold on. I beg you, make una hold on. Let's get we get together. You know me, I go kill somebody.
Come back. The players now. Action.
Sungum, what is it?
I'm not comfortable in this place. It's too exposing.
You see, my love for you has gone beyond corner and backyard love. Yeah? So relax. Nothing spoiled.
What if any of your relatives sees us here?
Oh, Banko. Is that your fear?
Yes.
Okay. Let me put your mind at rest. Are you listening?
I'm listening.
Good. All my uncles, all my aunties, all my friends have been pressurizing me to call a spade a spade.
I don't understand what you mean by call a spade a spade.
Okay. They want me to make a haste and bring you in as a wife.
Are you serious?
Yes, so you can see that we are as free as the birds of the wind.
Obim, you know I cannot go into any man's house as a second wife.
Okay. I have plan A and plan B. So by the time I'm through with all my plans, then all your fears must have gone. So relax, sure? relax. Relax, I know what I'm doing. Yes, honestly, I should be the one complaining. Because I want it today and tomorrow.
Okay.
Sungu baby.
So be fast with whatever you are planning. Delay is dangerous.
Oh, Sungu baby, you see, just start getting prepared. I'm at work.
Okay.
Trust me. Sungu baby. Take care, baby, soon.
Okay.
Soon. Lips don't lie. Sungu baby. Yeah. Okay, the meat.
Not now.
Not now. Sungu baby. Relax, Relax.
I beg you, make una hold on. That again, we get it, dada. Philomena go kill somebody, Make una hold Philo, hold am. beg you make una hold am. That girl we get it dada. Philomena go kill somebody. Hold am. I beg you make una hold am. That girl we get it dada. Philomena go kill somebody.
Apollonia not coming back market. Oh.
Mama, that should be now.
Coming back from the market. Coming back. Your father quarreling. Quarreling now. Quarreling us. Me, I don't like.
Okay, now should I go and look for her?
Come back. Your father quarreling. You going out. Sit down. Hey. Quarreling me. You going out. No. Hey, Mbao. Hey. So can I go?
Hey, Mama. Let me ask you. Why is it that you and Auntie don't speak correct English, but Papa does?
Okay. Me, your sister, going school. Opportunity.
Opportunity, not opportunity. But I can understand the fact that Papa hates Auntie, so that's why they send her to school. But your case is what I don't understand.
Chidera one. You, concern me, happy. You, concern me. Me, my father, telling me, me going school. My mother telling me, me going school. My father dying. My mother dying. Me not going. School, no going again. Your father telling me, marry me. Me going school. Father taking me, carry me, put something inside. Me not going again to school. Telling him, me going to school. Father wicked, telling me no, going school. You. That you going school. Here, book everywhere. Father, thank you. Chidera going school. Just come out. Leave me. Chidera going. You book everywhere for me. Oh, God, thank you giving me Chidera. Fine girl, no pimple.
It's a pity. But sister can still go to adult education. Your sister going school? Hey, she coming, you telling her. Oh, she me liking everybody going school, me no going school. So me liking everybody, you going school, your sister going school. Oh, coming, tell her. Oh, I will tell her. No, our principal told us that education is the key to a better future.
Key, open door. Huh?
Mama, that was not what I meant. I meant that without education, you would not have a comfortable life and a good job.
Comfortable life, good job. You going school. You too much. You going school, book everywhere your head. Hey, God, thank you, Chidera, going school. You, money I get. You going school, up.
Mama, it's okay. Let's continue what we are doing.
Going school. My word, come again. Me going school, me going school.
You know what now? If you don't hear me out, at least for once. If you don't stop, I will follow you to your house. Unless you hear me out.
Now waiting.
Hell, Biko, please, try and love me. The thing I'll be doing to show you that I love you, and the one I'm still doing, please.
Dikeh. Now when I break that your ugly face, and that your big head, now you go leave me alone, okay?
Hey, Philo, if you break my head and you love me, better.
Break my head. So far you say you love me, eh? Please, eh? And then love me.
You no go respect your old age. You no go respect your old age. And their old wife wey don die. Eh? No follow me again, no.
Just love me, eh? Be my wife. Be my wife. What is it? Just be my wife.
Make I be waiting.
Be my wife. So that my heart will be at peace.
No follow me again, no.
Hey, Philo, if you want me to stop following you, kiss me.
Make I kiss you.
Kiss me.
Okay, so if I kiss you, you go stop to dey follow me.
Bam.
You go leave me alone.
Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah. Come kiss.
Hey, kiss.
Do am fast though before I change my mind.
Hey, no.
You like am? An American kiss be that.
Hey, Philo, more. Hey. Hey. Oh. This is just the beginning. If you like, slap me 10 times. After all, love is danger. I will follow you.
That's good. Only God knows what is disturbing him.
I got it. That thing you told me the other time.
Exactly, my friend.
Now listen, if I drive flies from shit, will I eat it?
No.
So carry on.
You mean I should?
Did I have water in my mouth when I said it? I said,
hey! Thank you. Thank you very much. I am so excited because I never expected you would accept this soon. Honestly.
You know you are my very good friend, Otaburi. Eh? So I cannot reject any of your requests of me.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I know you will not disappoint me.
Not at all.
And God will bless you.
And He will also bless you. How about your children? Do you hear from them at all?
Yes, AGK just left for the city last week, and I just finished chatting with Ozomina.
Yes. But do you tell them I ask about them?
Of course I do.
It's all right. Yeah. I'll be on my way now.
Let me tell you. In-law, can I call you that?
Say it again.
In-law.
Again and again.
In-law. Please extend my greetings.
I will, but let me tell you.
Yes.
Please, there is a rush. Delay is dangerous, so you have to be fast about it.
I know.
Yes.
I know.
Yes,
there is a great rush. I also know that delay is too dangerous.
I'm looking forward to seeing you today or tomorrow.
Yes, in-law.
Because lamentably dangerous.
Thank you.
Today or tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you very much. In-law. In-law.
Say it again.
Thank you, in-law. Hey. See in-law. Look at in-law. Hey. Philo, here I come. Hey.
Are you happy? Do you know
I can back you.
Oh, no, I can carry this in my bag, fly into the sky, plug the best of the stars for you if I have wings.
Obi, I know. Yes, Obi. I know.
Sure. Do I really get too excited? If I have my way, you see this heaven and earth, with everything inside, I'll buy it for you if it's to be sold.
I also believe that you can take me to heaven if you are God.
Now, how can I stay in heaven? No, it's not possible.
Obi, what do you want me to do for you so that you don't look at another woman? Not even that your ugly, expired nitwit of a wife.
You used the right word. She's expired. Her chapter is closed. You know what to do for me? You give me a child. Just give me a child. Once you do it for me, just a child, you'll just have me for the rest of your life.
So what if I told you that your child is right in me?
You can't be kidding me. I hope you're not pulling my leg. Wait. Let me cross. It's not jokes.
No joke. I've not said anything.
I don't even need a prophet to tell me.
I didn't say anything. What I didn't say anything.
See, what I fired here is a ballistic shot. That type Rashidi the King took in the US.
So naughty,
and there is no way, even if it is Van der Sar, cannot reach that goal. This is pure net goal, not even over the bar. Goal!
You're so naughty as
Listen, let me tell you, this is a boy. This.
Listen, front and back, just relax. I am going to make you the most respected woman in this village. By the time you give me twins, you will see how mad I will be about you.
Oh, yes. Don't worry. I know God has assigned twin issues for me, really? Just like He did for my mother.
That put your trust in Him. I want you to relax. Keep everything and put it in the feet of the Lord.
I'm trying.
God can do all things.
I'm trying.
He told us in the book of in His scripture that twins is genetic. With God, all things are possible. Yes, He can do all things according to His riches and glory. Okay. Sister Gladys.
Hey, Pastor.
Sister.
Another woman in my matrimonial home.
Sister Gladys, take it. Give me no offense.
Pastor, another woman in my matrimonial house.
Control your anger. Troubles and quarrels don't solve problems. That's why they are fueling it. You're a woman of God. Don't mind her. She's only reacting like a wounded lioness. Don't mind her.
But I thought you told me she had gone back to her.
I'm even surprised to see her with her boyfriend Pastor coming here. So you've left my house now. Leave me. Jesus. What are you doing in my house? Leave my house. Jesus.
Every woman, every spirit of woman that want to snatch another man's husband, I come against you. In Jesus' name.
Jesus' name.
Amen.
Okay, can you see that she's cursing me?
Don't mind her. Her chapter is closed. Let's go. Listen to the word of God. Why are you behaving like that? Control your anger, please. There's no condition that is permanent. With God, all things are possible. One with God. Okay.
Pastor, you are the one that put me into all these troubles. You are the one, Pastor.
Don't forget, I am an ordained man of God.
Listen, you deceived me. You deceived me. You got me entangled with this useless man because you want me to remain a member in your church.
Sister Gladys, how can you say it like that? Remember, because of you, I am here.
I don't want to be the reason why you're here again.
Control.
I don't want to be the reason why you're here, Pastor.
Control your anger, please. Sister Gladys. God. Sister Gladys, please, stop behaving like this. Remember what the scripture said.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
No problem. I will leave. But I believe that Satan will not take over this house. Like a man of God, as an ordained man of God I am, since I've already stepped my foot on this land, God will take over. God will take control. Oh Jesus, why hast thou forsaken me? I know you're with me. I know you're with me. They that dwell in the house of the Lord, they shall do exploit. Be back and see the room. Sister Gladys, I will be with you throughout these trials and tribulations, because I know that he that is in you has not fulfilled, has not finished the job that he brought you on this earth to do. But I'm living right now to the glory of God, the peace of the Lord, and the knowledge of God.
Who Gladys? I go now.
Hey.
Oh Gladys, now here you die, they look for you. Oh Gladys. Wait into your face. You get accident? Abi, try to jam you.
My husband.
Chiro! Your husband does you this thing. Hi!
Why? He said, I am the one responsible for our childlessness.
Huh?
He said I'm a witch. In fact, he said I am married to a spiritual husband.
Hey! Shoot him mad! Shoot him mad! Eh? You be God! Where they give baby? Where in there? Where in there?
He refused to acknowledge that.
Where in there? Hey! Gladys say, I'm surprised though. But you tell everybody say your marriage they work well.
Philo, what am I supposed to say? I'm supposed to tell everybody everything is alright. You don't know who your enemies are. You don't.
Hi! Nah, man is wicked. Man is wicked. I hate them. I hate them. Where?
My husband. He's even planning to marry another woman. They slept here last night. He brought her into this house last night.
Hey! Umuwoke. I hate you now. I hate you now.
I regret marrying Iwuji. I regret marrying Iwuji.
No worry yourself. No worry yourself. You know the woman?
I've seen her, but I don't know her.
No worry. I could be with them. I go make sure say you suffer. In fact, she go hear am. She go hear am.
That he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing. So as a servant of God, I rebuke all the powers of darkness. I rebuke all the powers of darkness that will be stopping this family. I uproot it from the scratch. Oh, I uproot it from the roof so that will come no more. Oh, Lord, Heavenly Father, you alone are served. As a servant of the Most High, now have intervened inside our family, because you said in your word that we shall step on toes and scorpions, but they will not harm us. Oh Lord, I know that they will step on the toes and scorpions. Let you not harm them in Jesus' name. Father, I know you will do it, and you will do it again, and you will do it again and again, for I know who you are. In Jesus' precious name I pray. Amen.
Chidera, come. Come. Go and call Philomena for. Not to waste my time any longer. Go. Women and their dressing codes.
Stop, Philomena!
Auntie, Papa said I should call you. He said you should come out.
Pardon, make me laugh.
They rub this, they rub that. Hey.
My in-law.
Yeah.
Honestly, today will be my happiest day. I am so excited.
You can say that again.
In-law.
Right there.
What is keeping our wife up tonight?
Oh, that's what I'm saying. I haven't forgotten that every woman is very pathetic. And rub like this, rub like that, rub for lips, rub here. Do you think that like you? Every woman is like that.
She has to be here because night is falling speedily.
See, not just the night. Rainfall is unpredictable in the rainy season. Let the sky not cry on us. The sky will not cry on us. She will soon be here. Exercise a little patience. That is what we keep saying. Please. She will soon, she will soon. How soon is the very soon? She'll be here, she'll be here. Philomena!
Auntie, who are those people with her?
Nobody has said. I will tell you later. He won't add order. Say, make I come out with. Okay. Yes. I will come out quick.
Where did they go? Philomena!
More before you carry and come here. Idiot. See, Papa. Later you go to pose. See as you run like a bubble. You know the shame.
Thank God. See monkey giving you marry.
Monkey even better person.
Enrica.
I don't face.
Enrica.
I don't face.
Enrica. Hey, God.
My in-laws, please, forgive me. Please. Forgive you for what? Your daughter has just embarrassed my family simply because we came to seek for her hand in marriage. This is a big blow in the face of my family. For what? What a nonsense!
My daughter yesterday. Don't mind her size. She's a little girl.
Stop defending your daughter. What your daughter did is sacrilegious. And you know its aftermath. You know the consequences. Ignatius, I thought you planned everything as you bragged.
I did.
Then what happened now?
I can't explain. But you people can take another date.
Take another date?
Fix another date.
We fix another date? It's a lie. Don't ever bring us back to this family. We are not coming back to your family.
If I had listened to my instinct, I would not have been involved in this unforgettable embarrassment. But anyway,
there's no anyway. It is only a fool that will allow the same branch of tree to poke his eyes twice. Yes.
Ignatius, I will advise you to go back and make peace with your daughter first. I'm leaving here. I'm leaving here.
We are leaving. Come on, let's go. My in-laws. My in-laws. My in-laws. In-laws. Hey, what kind of child is this? This day will kill me.
I beg you make una hold am. That girl we get it dada. Philomena go kill somebody. Baby, you know that girl then they call Philomena. The girl who get the muscle, she dey fight you. Philomena, if you see them they come.
Why is it that Papa hates us? As if he didn't get married to you. As if he's not the father of Auntie and I. Why does he hate us so much? Why?
Your father liking you. Your father liking you, liking you. Your father liking you. Oh, please. Your father liking you. Leave me. Please. He's liking you.
Hey! Where is that witch that calls herself Philomena? Where is her mother witch? If you don't tell me where she is, you will pay her price. Because today is her last day in this house. It's either I kill her or I destroy everything in this house.
You're killing me.
You're killing me. You want to die hapless? I never seen the Shinda Kanada. Can you tell me where Philomena is? Today is the end of it. You don't want to tell me where she is.
I am very, very many.
Where are your people? You don't want to. You don't want to. You don't want to tell me. That's how you tell me where she is.
The only thing on my mind right now is on how to leave this village.
Again, living this village shouldn't be a problem to you now. I mean, you have brothers all over the big cities.
But the idea of leaving you guys behind, especially you, Billy, it's very difficult.
Yes, I understand. But you see, you just have to do what you have to do. I mean, it's high time you start to learn that you don't have to live your life for people. That will only make you live a stagnant life. Just go there and achieve what you want to do.
Leaving you guys behind, Obele, you don't get it. I am so stuck on you guys that I'm afraid I might not even cope.
I understand, my friend. It's okay. It's okay. Just take all those negative thoughts away from your head. Just be focused. You know, just stay strong. That's it. Try not to.
Is that not Philomena?
Philo? Wait. Come. What happened? Why are you running? Eh? My girl. Who is chasing you?
My papa.
Your papa?
My papa.
Calm down. He's not coming. Just tell me, what's the problem? Eh?
You know that he goat. Dikeh.
That man that has been disturbing you.
He carrying useless people come my house. Make he come marry me.
For what now?
Nah, I just can't come out.
Good.
Who? With him people. My papa come the first.
That's bad now. I don't know why this Dikeh man will not just leave my baby alone. Eh? This is my baby. You just I don't.
Now you make her the one no one stop before. Eh? Because I know say you go talk rubbish.
Calm down. Listen, you can't wait now. Listen, with time we'll find out if you're my babe or not. Just wait. But this one, your father is chasing you now. Where will you now go?
I will climb 3.
Wait, come, don't climb 3. We're just here discussing about Masquerade Festival. Will you come with us? You come.
Masquerade!
You come.
Make we go now.
I get it. My babe is coming with us now. Let's go. My babe is below. Are you high? I mean, let's just go now. Let's go.
I don't miss more.
Where you dey now?
I dey.
I collect 5 job.
What? Wetin be this where they touch me?
Gladys. And I bought Gladys and I bought Gladat. What did I tell you? Are you deaf?
Mama, why are you punishing me?
Huh?
Why are you doing this to me?
Between me and you, who is punishing each other, Gladys? I said between me and you, who is punishing each other? If you don't know, you are the one punishing me. You are the one punishing me because you refuse to divorce your spiritual husband and give me children.
Me, I don't have any spiritual husband. I swear to you, you're the only husband that I have. Oh, which means only God that give children. I'm not medically alright. Hey, it's in Bikono. Besides, 2 years. 2 years is only little for you to start worrying about childbearing.
2 years? Okay, you want me to wait for eternity before I start getting bothered of having children? Did you tell me that the day I came to pay your bride price? Did your parents tell me? Gladys, let me ask you, those that married the same day I married you, don't they have children? Gladys,
that's not what I mean. I only have patience. Only patience with me because
patience where? Patience? If you don't know, my own patience expired so many years back. Gladys, it has expired. I don't have patience, Gladys or Gladat, leave my house. Leave my house, leave my life, leave everything about me, Gladys. What am I even wasting my time? Leave my house.
Mama, leave my house.
I said, leave my house. I said, okay, come and carry it, Gladys. Carry it yourself. Gladys, carry it and leave my house. I don't want you. Leave my house. If you know where you belong, go there. Let me not see you here again. Let me not see you here again. I said leave my house. Gladys, leave my house. Leave my house.
It's only God that gives children. Not the man.
Leave my house. Okay, God gives children. Tell that God to come and give me children. Leave. Tell God to come and give me children. And I will be. I'm Musika Nana. I'm Musika.
I don't want the Kabi Konu. Hey!
Obere my manchi. Okay, Melaka. Guy.
What happened?
You're not to be blamed at all.
I don't understand. So you are healing me?
Today, just today, I realized the reason why you want to die with Philomena.
So because she went with us to the market, that's why you are seeing all these ones now?
No. See, I saw her beauty today. Frankly speaking, Obere, Philomena is an epitome of African beauty.
Hey, I said it. See, no wonder I noticed the way you were looking at her in that market. So we're busy buying things and you were just staring at my woman, Abi, observing her, my girl, my baby.
You don't understand the kind of beauty that girl has.
Tell me.
Apart from the fact that she has virtually turned herself into a man, she's still the most beautiful girl in this village.
Okay, thank you. Listen, you know why I'm telling you thank you to stop now? Because I don't want you to start putting some negative things in that your mind. Listen, I'm telling you now, let it not be as if me and you will now dragging Philomena. I will not forgive you.
I have not said anything. I have not said I am interested in her in any way. I won't talk anything.
No problem. I'm just warning you down. Because everybody in this village knows that me and Philomena, we are meant to be.
I know that too. I am not challenging that.
No problem.
It's just that her beauty can actually, a secret beauty can actually catch any man's attention. I would advise you, say you just make money and take her in as a wife. Otherwise
what?
Just talk am now. Otherwise
making it daddy. We'll end this Philomena gist. Enough. I don't want to get angry. It's okay.
I just say make I advise you as a friend.
Don't advise me, I thank you.
As a good friend, why I be kwa?
Don't
make I advise you.
God. No problem. She fine, yes. That's my girl.
Please, brother Uche, Tell me, I want to know why.
Pastor, my reason is simple and pure. I find out that Gladys sold her womb to her marine husband. Jesus. Pastor, are you expecting me to keep wasting my time with such a woman? She's condemned oil now.
God, how did you know that?
Are you asking me how I come to know? It's written all over her now. It's written all over her.
Brother, you've not answered my question. I said, how did you know that?
Pastor, do you know the worst mistake I made? The worst mistake was listening to you, taking your advice to marry that condemned oil you call Gladys. Eh? Pastor, you deceived me. No, you deceived me. Ah!
Jesus, I deceived you. How?
Pastor,
Brother Woody, how can you say a thing like that?
If truly you are a man of God, you should have told me that.
Told you what?
Gladys has a marine husband. That's what you should have told me. She has a marine husband.
Brother Woody, do you know that life and death is in our tongue? Do you know that at the last day, you will give account of whatever thing you say in the world? Stop watching what you don't know. Remember the Bible says that what God has joined together, let no man or woman put asunder.
Remember not to be this woman with a spiritual husband.
I know your problem. You're working on an assumption because I know you don't know what you're saying. But I want to assure you that God's favor is unimaginable.
Pastor.
Sister.
Good day.
Bless you.
I'm okay.
Brother Regina, don't tell me it's because of this lady you threw out your ordained wife.
Pastor, mind how you talk to my wife. In fact, Pastor, you have overstayed your welcome. Bye-bye. Go.
You Pastor, go now. You heard him. Poziano, go before he does something drastic to you.
Is that a joke or something?
Pastor, do I look like a joker? Leave before I unleash my anger on you.
It's okay.
In fact, let me help.
No, it's okay. I'll take care of it. I know that God is still saying something.
Yes, already between two of us.
May the peace of the Lord be with you all.
And also with
Pastor, bye-bye.
May God have mercy.
Bye-bye, eh? Yeah.
Oh, God has something.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Is the food ready?
It's ready, Obi, my dear. Come on, eat.
Hello, baby. Some people don't like her, but she's sweet in my heart, oh. Philomena, I love Philo, baby. They say she bad, they say she hard, Philo, baby. I love Philo, baby. Some people don't like her, but she's sweet in my heart,
Hey, my friends, stop that thing, officer. Hey, can I delete you? Liar. See your life. You. So, your mama send you to go fetch water. You can't sit down with this thing when no get future. Eh? Hi! Make I tell you something. Oh, this foolish small boys. They not get future. They not get anything for you. Oh, all this rap where they rap here, not to give you belly.
No, it's your business. Leave them.
No, go talk am. Leave all this. If he give you belly, he go run. He leg go touch his head. He go run. Now only you go come there with belly. They disgrace your mama. Leave am o. Je baran neguru. Fetch your water, they go your house. My dear, leave am. Je baran neguru. You go. Na so bengo dey lie. Oh, pass something age ego.
No, na help
me. Fetch your water, they go house here. Your mama they wait for you. No. No. Nonsense. That's all this guy to the light from the Philomena. See, not just use me joke. You're mad! Not the case. I don't die. Yeah. Now me you stop. My girlfriend. Bros, clear. Nah. See, if you know match, you know not to come for this matter. I go kill you for here. I go kill. What do you go do? You the crazy. You tell me what you want. You the mad? Eh? I go kill this girl today. You see this water? I know carry and go again. No use me choco. Eh? No, you go drink water. Come here now. Come here. You go drink water. Who? Come. You go drink water today. Come. Wait, sister. Oh, you don't want to drink water. You. I will kill her. You go drink. I will kill her. You go drink water, baby. Don't here. Which one? Wait for me. Go house. Don't go anywhere. You go drink water. Come. Don't go. Don't. What? Oh, you don't want to drink water. You. Leave him now. Wait. All right. Wait. You go.
Ndidi, you can see that this girl's behavior is abnormal. If she has not caught Obanje, then Obanje has caught her. And for this reason, I am going to cut this her dreadlock.
Story, oh.
Yeah?
Story.
Yes, this hair must go down now.
I forgetting Dibia. Dibia say no baby, 35.
No matter what the Dibia said, even if heavens will fall, let it fall down.
Look for this guy. The Dibia's forget up here.
This hair must go down now.
No come near me, oh. No come near me, oh. In fact, Babia own. You hear? Babia own. Your own daughter. Babam. No touch this one, oh. No try am. In fact, Papa, you the dream. Hey,
Dibia! Hey, Dibia talk, oh, Dibia talk. No. Papa Philo. Dibia kukwali eku, oh. Dibia kuli eku. No cutting. 35, yes. You talk about what Achilles.
Where Mama be?
Mama Papa is sleeping, but Papa doesn't want to sleep.
Okay.
Auntie, I think you should say to your Papa rather than running like this.
I go do am. But no be now. She's still the best.
I don't know why, Papa. In fact, all of us, most especially you.
No worry yourself. I know what be her problem. But go stay with Mama when you hear. Go stay with her.
To make peace, Papa. Okay, just go.
This girl is truly a witch. She was here a moment ago. How come she has disappeared?
I can't stop thanking God that my uncle finally accepted me.
Hey!
What would I have done?
You lucky, you. Hey! I don't jealousy you now. Eh?
Philo, I am even sure my dead parents would not have let me move into the house.
Now, wow. Wait, you don't find that girl?
I haven't.
Hey!
But from tomorrow, I'm going to start making inquiries.
Good. Eh? Find them. Make we deal with them. Nonsense.
That reminds me. I heard that Dikeh and his people came to marry and you chased him out of your compound with a pistol. Is it true?
You see me see trouble, eh? He lock you, say that I could missing head.
So it's true.
And magic one. You fall laugh that. See, my papa follow Dikeh, they run like goats. The man don't hear them for my hand. Nonsense, eh? I don't go anywhere. You see this village, eh? Here we go.
Pompo. Did you sleep in this house?
Me? No.
Thank your stars that I woke up happy this morning. But you must marry Dikeh.
I beg, no go there again. I beg. No go marry him. Not by force.
Who is that young man who will ever come and ask your hand in marriage when you have turned yourself into a man?
Leave that thing. He don't say what when I start to be talking. You know they touch me again. Yeah. Wait himself.
Philo Pompo. Me. You must leave my house. Is that clear?
You say?
Yes! You must leave this house.
Wash your face now. No! You forgot wash your face. Make I know whether now clear eye you take all this thing where you talk. leave the house. Papa, now you go leave the house.
Bye. Go in never. Go in never.
Okay.
Chidera,
No.
how are you? How is Mama?
Mama is fine.
Thank God. Is Philomena around?
No, she has not returned.
I actually bought this for her, but since she's not around, I'll just go and come back later, okay? Tell her I came, okay?
Okay. What have you come to find in my house?
I came to check if Obele was around. Yes.
Okay, with your good time, yeah. This okay, but in Omogo in advance. Let me feel this your got. It's a big one.
What did I do, sir? What have you not done? You and your friends, you in advance. You are able to deceiving Philomena. You want her to turn to that doctor. So that nobody will marry her.
My hands are clean.
Your hands are not clean.
My hands are clean. My hands are clean. My hands are clean. Mazi, I'm innocent.
You want Philo to remain in my house and start wearing extra large Brazil, extra large fan.
Mazi, my hands are clean.
They are not.
Even the gods know my hands are clean.
That's it. Namushwa.
Now waiting.
So you are not talking. I know you must have been losing. Mama will spare your need.
Abacha sa go man. Open the emeli. You see now. Hey, Jimmy, I don't scatter.
Yes, that's it.
People no more kego. I'm gonna be a guy's wife and one cholokoto.
Yes.
It's my own idea. No, this is all the moment kind of this. They're not happy. They're not happy.
She's been rejecting husband. No. Papa, let me explain.